Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial series. Today is day 9 and in this video today we are going to work on conditional statements in Python, or we can call them if statements in Python. So before we do that, actually we are going to do one exercise. I'll just flip back to another tab here. We actually work upon the grade evaluation where we will be using multiple ifs over here. So for example, we are going to write a code for grade evaluation with below parameters. For example, marks which are equal or more than 90, we will give them grade A. Anything which is between 90 and 80, we will give them grade B. Anything between 80 and 70, grade C. Anything between 70 and 60, grade D. Anything which is between 60 and 50, grade E. And below 50 will be fail. So let's go to Google Colab, and here we can say if statements, right? Or conditional statements in Python, right? So as I mentioned, I want user to feed the marks, right? So let's create marks, or maybe say, yeah, let's just put marks here, right? It should be an integer and input, right, from the user. Enter the marks. Oh, my bad, right? Now over here, right, I'm going to write multiple if statements over here so that we cover all these things which we have here. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different parameters. So if I say like say 90 over here, which is stored here, and then I'm going to write my if statement if marks are greater than or equal to 90, print grade A, right? This is my first if statement, which is completing my this particular line. For this one, which is like less than 90 and more than or equal to 80, I'm going to write else if. So in Python, we call that elif, right? Elif marks are less than 90 and marks are greater than equal to 80. In that case, we are going to print grade B, right? So this way we cover this one as well. Similarly, if you really see, these three statements are actually similar. We just have to change the numbers over here. So I'm going to copy paste the particular code from here and keep on writing this one. Control Z, sorry. Right. So here I'm just going to change the numbers 90 to 80, 80 to 70, right? From this one, we'll just make it 70. Marks would be 60, right? And grade will change as well. So this will be C, this will be D, right? This is 60 and this is 50. Grade will be E. And the last one is anything which is less than 50, right? We'll call them as fail, right? Or just simple fail. Now, if I run this one, we should get grade what? A, because we are saying greater than or equal to 90. Now, if I run this one again one more time, let's say this time I give a marks of let's say 61, right? And then run it, 61 will fall into grade D bucket, right? So we should get grade D here. Similarly, if I again go back here and try to run it and say, let's say 45. So typically 45 is what? Fail, right? Which is less than 50. Last one, let's see. it failed. There's a one small error over here, and that error is we are not closing any of the if statements here. So we have to say else print wrong, sorry, wrong marks, right? Something like that. Or incorrect input. Now this is the right way to do it, where you actually close the if statement as well with else, right? So this way we complete the conditional statements or if statements by doing one grade evaluation coding. Do practice it. In case you have any questions or anything, reach out to me, put your comments in the comment section and share these videos to the like-minded people. Thank you.